Hey guys, I'm Tenny Smelly with Quick Pick Channel. Today we're at ShopRite so we can go on a field trip to go to our local farm.
We're going to do a lot of fun things. We're going to be doing some hay rides, some duck races, and I think they got, I'm not sure what else they have. Food! Food, they got food. You're going to learn a lot about the farms. You're going to see them probably in the fields picking higher
than on a regular bus.
Yeah.
But you guys are in for a good time.
Tim, I'm the produce manager at your shop right here in Greenwich. Today we're going to visit one of our local farms, which is Gary Donaldson's or Donaldson Farms in Hackettstown.
My name is Carrie. I'm the in-store dietitian. I do a lot of really great free things for our customers. I do free one-on-one counseling. We have a ton of great cooking classes. I know some of you have experienced one of our kids camps this summer. All right, we do have other cooking classes at least once or twice a month.
Oh, nice. Yeah, their cider is so good. That time of year.
Mom, the staircase is so different from a regular school bus. It's a lot longer.
Alright, listen up. Juliana is going to tell you where you're going next. Oh, I bet you do.
This is a wonderful thing that you guys get to see. You're going to see a lot of things going on here. Our workers work very, very hard all day. We wave to everybody. Hey, guys. I'm big for appreciating our workers. The guys are out here since about 4:30 in the morning. They work till dark. They'll put in about 80 to 90 hours a week. These are called tall spindle apple trees. Now, they don't look like a regular apple tree, do they, kids? Apple trees usually grow out big like this. These trees are actually a grafted tree. They have a dwarf root base. If you guys look close at the bottom, you can see where the graft is. And it's actually a branch of a tree. Okay, I've got to switch gears. You guys hear that noise? Okay, that's part of our integrated pest management system here. It's actually, yes. What it is, here it is. It's a solar panel right here, and there's a little sound box. Right now, I think it's on a motion sensor, so it saw us coming. What it is a sparrow, some kind of small bird that's being chased by a red-tailed hawk. And now, here's a quick little fact. Does anybody know why there's peach fuzz on peaches? Anybody? Keeps the buzz off, but why?
They can't grip on it.
They don't like the feel of the fuzz on their feet. Huh, how about that? Whoever figured that out, I have no idea. It's pretty neat up here. This is the back end of the greenhouse. When you come down around here, I want everybody to look inside. This is the packing shed. This is where it all happens. When the guys pick the corn in the morning, which they're doing right now at 4:30, they're done right now, but they bring it in. And if you look inside there, we say, hi, everybody. I think some of the eggplants out there, right now we're harvesting eggplant, zucchini, green beans, corn.
Today, because we have the kids with us, we decided to have some fun with the kids as well. So it's educational and fun always on the farm. So what we're going to do is water balloon toss. We're going to fill the farm buckets, the animals. And if we have time, we'll do wheelbarrow races, but it kind of goes really quick.
Got it? What do you have?
Water balloons.
Alright, I have to catch it.
No, catch it, okay? We're going to win this. Go! Toss it. Ready? Come on. Here you go.
Haley, you're too far away. Okay. Okay, ready?
No, that's the thing. It's a race.
Gotta catch it.
Just do it.
Good job.
Ready?
Whoa!
Let's go. Haley!
You ready? Ryan?
Yeah. Well, we got to bring it.
Good. Hey, we didn't get wet though. That's a good thing.
Here's enough.
Let's watch.
Faster!
The music you hear on the blend. Become a Sirius XM music blender and let us know what you think. Like whether you want more of me. You want more of me, right? It's easy. Go to SiriusXM.com.
No, it's your turn. No. We need help because. Alright, now I'm going next. It's Saboteur. These ones are thick and fat. They go There's also a hand wash station right in the corner on the other side. Just in case we also have a
Do that. Okay, who you want to thank you for help? I need a duck. Wait a minute, someone get the duck. We have to get the duck. And then yeah, work. Don't worry, can you give me a duck? Give me a duck. There he goes. Hey, give me the duck, give me the duck. Here I am.
I think After we go back home, just after you. Here's the peaches.
You guys watch South Park?
Bud, you want to get any snacks? I want some bubble gum. Right next to me.
Look at these pies.
Alright guys, we're all done with our furniture. We saw so many cool things.